Okay, let's do this. Wait. Did I not learn my lesson from last time? For some reason, I wanted to hit a golf ball with a GoPro, and that didn't end well. Oh no, oh no. One sec. Okay, now we're ready.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and if you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll include links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link, and let's get right to it. Because if you're someone looking to get the Insta360 One X2, I think you should do it. It's actually probably the most fun I've ever had with a camera. There's just a lot you can do with it. And I was actually curious how it would look if I hit an exploding golf ball with this thing, you know, because it captures a 360 image and you can reframe it, and I'll shoot it in slow motion. Now, it might look terrible, or it might look awesome, or maybe somewhere in the middle. But if you do have this, I highly recommend this Ulanzi case because it's a metal frame, so it's really solid and really strong. And your camera just slides right in, and you have access to all of your compartments and all of your buttons and microphones. But what I also love about it is there is 2 cold shoes and 2 open screw threads on here, so you can put extra mounts or lights or mics and things like that. And at the bottom, it's really cool because you have your standard screw thread for your selfie sticks, but also these legs flip out, and now you have like a dual mount, so you can put this on any action camera mount. That way, you know, if you're doing something with a lot of action, this will keep it a lot stronger, making sure it's not gonna fly off. So let's fire this thing up. We're gonna set it on 3K, 100 frames per second. That way we can slow it down 4 times, and hopefully it looks good, who knows. Now, I only get 1 shot at this because I only have 1 ball. There's no real point in hitting it with the lens and just ruining it, so I'm just gonna hit it from the side metal frame right here, and yeah, let's see what happens. I missed. Here we go. Wow, that's tricky. Wow, probably should clean that up right away, but it was a clean hit. All right, that's actually pretty cool. I mean, I missed a few times, but you can see, yeah, there's some stitching issues because we're actually not hitting it straight on the lens. I mean, I could be a little bit more daring and do that, but I don't want to break it because I like this camera. It might not even break, who knows, because it's an exploding golf ball. I actually think that that looks pretty cool. Obviously, it's a very fast shot, so just 100 frames per second. It's not gonna slow it down like too much, but it definitely looked better than hitting it with a GoPro, which was a waste of time, and I broke it. But now I could say I did it and cross it off the list. Remember, if you're interested in one of these cameras, do check the link out in the description, and that Ulanzi case, it's really cool. They have a lot of great accessories for this thing. Highly recommend it, very fun. All right, that's it for today's video, so stay tuned because I got a lot more coming at you, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.